Hey guys, we're back and we said we were going to do a 3 a.m. challenge yesterday.
But our timer didn't work.
Yeah, our timer that we had didn't work.
It failed.
So we got a new timer today and you guys want to hear it? Oh, today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. It's going to be louder. Okay, you guys like that? Of course you do.
Boy, that's loud.
It's only because of that. It's only because of our timer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. One time around, I didn't record a video. I got 2 people. You guys are problematic because I said I'm going to get everyone with you guys watching, but that I didn't get. I got those people without you guys watching. I should have waited, but I couldn't wait. Wait, if I get the word Rex, do I get the person Rex? I want to know that. No. No. I almost just killed myself. I got the word Rex, so I wonder if I get it. No. Yeah, I want to see what I get anyways. No, I didn't get him. Wait. Yeah, this is Rex. There's like no difference between these two, right? But there is between them.
He's stabbing.
Well, he's trying to, but he forgot how to.
Right, Vinny?
This is how you dab? Wait, wrong character. I want to be the girl again.
Sick.
Jake Paul is #1.
Not really.
Not really. Logan Paul. What did I just do? I tried to jump and go to the side.
You need those.
I know. I tried to jump and go to the side. Wait, I can't do it right now. I tried to do this. Really? I keep on killing myself. You guys don't know what I'm trying to do, do you guys? I'm trying to do this. I did not hit that pool. I witnessed it. I did not hit that pool. Wee wee. Boom boom boom. Boom boom boom. Mrs. Far ahead is Vinny.
Subscribe to Vinny's YouTube channel.
No, subscribe to Mrs. Farthead's YouTube channel.
Pearl Gamer 886.
Mrs. Fart 866.
Yeah, say it right because you're weird.
No, cause I'm awesome. I'm gonna try to beat my record this time, guys. But of course, like, if you watch Vinny, he didn't beat my record, boys! Like he said he was trying to. It wouldn't let me move at all, right, Vinny?
Mm-hmm.
You sound weird. Okay, now go. Good. Really? I'm flipping this around because I'm getting serious. Wee. Ooh, wee.
So stop saying that.
But I have to.
They don't.
My mom's password into her house.
No, it isn't.
I couldn't make a decision what side to go to. No, I'm not having it. Oh, wasn't paying attention. Got me the key. No. I'm dead. Yesterday, I officially made it to 10,000 coins in 2 days, but I spent it to get a character, to 2 characters. And Vinny remembers that, right? You don't? So you're just saying I'm horrible. You do remember it. You do too remember that.
So you get 10,000? No, I don't.
I told you and your YouTube. I remember I got people with it, right? Do you remember that?
Huh?
Do you remember that I got people with it?
No.
I'll show you the people right now! So I'm actually not lying. Apparently to you. So fight me! Fight me with your, like, this. Boom, boom, boom. I won! Oh no, I didn't mean to put that. I got her and her.
Yeah, you didn't show me.
I told you, you're the one that told me to get her. Why do you just never pay attention to what I said? Guys, we're gonna wrap this video right here, and if I can push it. I'm not gonna let this take me all day. Okay, now I can do it. I'm done with this video here, so